Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to download custom content in Sims 4. It seems pretty basic and easy here. So it looks like, you can go on YouTube, search up Sims 4 custom content, you know what I'm saying? And I found something that says, these mods turn your Sims to GTA 4. It sounds cool, right? So they have like basement, like I don't know, they have this like basement gang thing or something on here. So then you're gonna go to their description. Let's see what they got going on. All right, basement. Can't put the link here. Sorry. Same here. Wait, why can't you put the link? Okay. Anyway, all right. So I looked it up already. I did the word basemental gang. Okay, there we go. I'm on the website here. So it looks like you can just go to the websites here. They have download by zip, download by exe. Yeah, so you download it, extract it into the mods folder. Okay, so we're gonna download the zip, and we're gonna download it here. Looks like it finished. That was quick. All right, let me get the file here. All right, got it here. Going to go to downloads, of course, because that's where it would be. All right, so found it in the downloads here. Found in the downloads folder. Looks like it's going to be both here. So once you download it, it's going to come in a zip folder. I would recommend like RipRAR, or WinRAR, 7-zip, whatever. Any of those. Make sure you have it here. So you want to extract too. We're going to extract it to the mods folder of The Sims, which should be in your documents, possibly. I'll put the description of where mine would be, but it should be in your electronic arts folder, then the Sims 4 folder, and then it's going to be in the mods folder, right? And then once you do that, you're going to be able to just extract it to it. So I'm going to extract it here, and then we're going to go here, extract it to documents, electronic arts, Sims 4, and then mods. Okay. All right. So I do have some things in the mod folder. I might delete all of it for y'all because I don't care. All right. So I just deleted all of them. All right. So now we have an empty folder. I'm just going to download just that one into it. Yeah, wait. Let me go back to it again. I'm about to compromise the whole John. All right. Go from here. All right. So it should definitely be in that mods folder. Here, mods. All right, it's in my mods folder. All right, so now that I dropped it into the mods folder, it should be shown here, to where it should have both of them. So as you can see, both of them are here. All right, in the mods folder in my electronics from there. All right, bet. So then once you do that and it is dropped, let's now open up Sims 4 and make sure that it actually starts up for y'all. So we're gonna see it here and just run a test here. Stay tuned. Hopefully it shows up on my right monitor and not the left one. Um, let's see what's going on. Yep, it started on the wrong monitor. Of course it did. All right, here we go. All right, we're in here. Look, babe. See, I'm recording it.
Yes.
So that's the screen. That's that.
Oh, this is OBS?
This is OBS. See what I'm saying though? I don't think you need OBS because I think the NVIDIA card. I don't even know. So we just installed mods on here, and once it loads up, we're going to test the mods. All right. So what we have here, we have all of this. Let me check the options here. You're gonna check the game options. All right, and then you're gonna make sure that mods is accessible. It should be here in other, and game options should go to other, and enable custom content and mods. The game's gonna restart. You're gonna apply changes. You're gonna apply changes. You're gonna exit. You're gonna exit game. All right, and then after that, you're gonna have to get back in the game. You're gonna have to get back into the game. I didn't know that was needed, but of course, living in Jimmy Neutron world, that's what happens. Oh my lord, it's the wrong folder. All right, hold on. All right, yeah, just make sure you open it back up after you do that. All right, we're gonna start back from the top again. Start back from the top again. Same old same here. All right, let's Let's do this again. All right, you downloaded it. You went to your favorite YouTuber, favorite Sims content creator. You saw it. You downloaded the content. You dropped it in the Electronic Arts mod folder. You dropped it in there. Then you opened the game. You went to the options. You enabled. You restarted it. Now we're back at it again. Now we're here again. So here we go. The mods is enabled. The mods is enabled. I'm just gonna double check here and here. All right, bet it's enabled. All right, so now we're just gonna start it up. I'm gonna resume game, and then the mod should just work. Now we're gonna start killing people and doing what we do on GTA. So let's see how cool this mod is. You know, they said we can get in gangs and stuff. We're really about to be gang affiliated. Are you prepared or no? All right. Let's see. My 1080, my 4, my 820 should be blasting through this. It's like, nah, Sims just take long to load. And if you think about it, the more mods, the more modifications you have on your game, the longer it's going to take. So it's probably just dropping in all the crack and the cocaine and all that good stuff that they said we can put in here. We're about to sell everything. There we go. Base mental gangs to the right side. Error. Missing requirement mod. Base mental games will not work properly without basement drugs installed. Please exit the game and install basemental drugs and relaunch the game. What is it talking about? All right, so we already ran into some complications. So we downloaded the file from the site, right? We downloaded, yeah, basemental gangs. Oh wait, so what other thing were we supposed to download? Basemental gangs. Okay. All right. So what's the other one then? Other mods. Basemental gambling. What? Adult mod. Oh, basemental drugs. So we need basemental. Okay. So it's the same thing. Okay. So we need to download all of it. We need to download all of it. Okay. So we gotta download part one. So the same exact thing that we just did. All right. Right now it's downloading. All right. It's done. All right, so we're gonna drop the file back into the mods folder. Okay, so we're gonna take basemental drugs and take that and drop it in the John, and then once we do that, it should be all right. So it looks like it's kind of the same thing. We just drop it. We're just dropping it. Dropped everything up in there. There we go. Dropped it. Boom. Dropped it. Dropped it. As soon as it's done syncing, we're going in there. We're going back on Sims 4. You're going to see all the drugs. You're going to see it all with the gang. See, but why didn't they say that, though? Why didn't they say... But see, other mods should just work. Other content stuff should just work after that. It should just work. Stuff is nutty, dog. Alright, it's done syncing. It's done syncing. It's done syncing. Alright, so let's go into Sims 4 again. This is the last time. Start offline. I mean, the tutorial has been over, so if you're still in here watching, you're a real one. You know, just saying that. So, but I just wanted to show y'all that it worked. But normally, if you go to the less complicated ones, the mods, you can go put it in there. As long as it's in that mods folder, it should be good. So you can categorize it with like the hair packs and locations and all that other stuff. So it's up to you. You know, however you want to do it. We're about to load game again. Resume. It said toddlers love picture books. What does that mean?
They want you to read picture books too.
I buy what I want to buy for my toddler. It ain't gonna be no picture book.
What's it gonna be?
I don't know. The toddler gonna rip the pages out the book. What's the point of the book?
Hold it and read it to them.
Nah,
Look at the pictures.
nah. My toddler needs to be self-efficient. My toddler needs to be able to talk trigonometry as soon as I give him the bottle.
A toddler is like 1 to 3 years old.
I think that's pretty mature for a 3-year-old. So nah, that'd be crazy though. Like my baby, 3-year-old baby is Albert Einstein from the booklet, from the Chamber of Secrets. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
Are you getting hungry?
It's about to get that time. Wow, you are.
Not really. But
Uh,
not really, but I know like I'm gonna eat when you eat.
right. That's how you know the game getting the mods. It's just taking longer. There we go. Basemental drugs. Public. Tutorial. Show us how to play. What? They're taking us to the internet? Dang, dog. Why isn't the tutorial not on the John? Cannabis. Wait, have we been able no, I've done this before, yo. I'm trying to tell y'all. Nah, this stuff is real. Nah, this stuff is real. And I was playing for a good minute. Me and my girl was on there. I was only doing cannabis though.
Yeah.
You could do all of this. Brewing station, addicts, Adderall, LSD. What? Customer phone calls, dispensaries. Well, you can get a dispensary. Apply for your license. What? Sims can own a retail store. Required to get the work expansion. Y'all know what that means. It's time to get the work. Get them expansion packs. Stop playing these games. You already know what it is, man. Yo, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. Yo, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. You already know what it is, man. Let me know what your favorite mod is. Let me know what your favorite stuff is, and let's get it popping. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.